Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the trigger dead zones on the Turtle Beach Atom controller. So the first thing that we're going to do is pair the controller to our phone and then open up the Atom app. This is where we'll configure all of our settings of the controller. We're going to press on the three bars on the top left and select dead zones. Then we're going to go to triggers, and here you can adjust these two triggers. So as you can see, I'm pressing them and it shows the level of the press that I'm doing. So if you want to adjust it so it doesn't trigger up to some point, you can just press this plus icon to enable the dead zone, and the triggers won't activate up until they're pressed to that point. So as you can see, I'm pressing them, and they just show up until this point. So this is where they start activating and actually detecting the press. So once you've done that, once you've adjusted all of the triggers, you can just exit out this menu and the options will be saved automatically. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.